Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Althof Afida, and I'm in second semester of graduate education English department in Unisma, and I would like to present something in my subject. In ICT-based instructional media. It's about our material. Fortunately, I got it in Madura, and let's enjoy my explanation. Okay, see you. Well, this is my material. I'm about to explain about the planning media for teaching descriptive text. It's about me, Althof Afida. Okay, let's continue. Background of the problem. Number 1, subject and material. Subject is English for SMP with descriptive text as a material. And number 2 is my necessity. The vocabulary must be support. The third lacks. Students feel so difficult to get proper words for their text. Yeah, they felt so difficult to get it. Number 4, my expectation is a media to make students feel comfortable to memorize the vocabularies. Okay, so what is our media? There's one. Okay. Quizizz. Taken from academia.edu. Sionta stated that Quizizz is a web tool to make an interactive game quiz which could be used both in class or out of class. So, for information, it can be in a web, so it could be in a laptop or in mobile phone, and the application could be downloaded in Play Store. I don't know whether it is available in App Store or not, but in Play Store it is available. Okay, let's be clear on the Quizizz, because Quizizz serves us with the material with the application which could be used by teacher and students. So I'm gonna start it with let's be a teacher in Quizizz. The preparation, what we have to prepare before it. Number 1 is descriptive text. Of course, we have to prepare our material first, and some question with multiple choice. You have to prepare it, and then pictures if needed for questions. So in this application, later I'm gonna show you. There is a place to put pictures, and then the sounds. For example, you want to put the sounds for students. You can do it here. And then steps to use Quizizz. As teacher, number 1, go to www.quizizz.com, then click sign up. Sign up over there. You have to sign up there. Yes, there. Sign up, and then you move to the slide sign up with email or sign up with Google. So you have to do this. Sign up with email or sign up with Google. So there is a Google with the McGonagall at Hogwarts that I do. I don't know whether it's the Harry Potter or not, but you have to put it here. Well done. And then click teacher if you want to log in as a teacher. Click as a teacher. And then enter your identity, username, email, and password to continue. You have to follow the instruction at that time. If you have entered, create a quiz by clicking create new quiz on the top left. Create it on the top left, and then we're gonna find it. Let's create a quiz display. Enter the name of quiz, the language, then click save. Wow, and that's the one. And then the next display will appear. Then click create new questions. Yeah, create new questions. So you have to do this. It can be done in laptop or mobile phone. You can do this. That's the the superiority of this application website. And then enter the question in the column, write your question here, then enter the answer question if using multiple choice in the column. Answer option 1, answer option 2, and so on. Yeah. Answer option 1 and answer option 2, answer option 3. You do this. If you want to do this with with picture or sound, yeah, there's something over that. Okay, let's move it. And then number 9, change the correct answer or conviction. Set the duration of work in the question, then click save. Okay, if you do this well, and then you have to do that, and then you choose the answer, the correct answer column, click, then save. As easy as that. If you have written all the quizzes, click finish quiz, and the quiz details screen will appear. Set the class for what quiz you want to address and what subject to use, then click save details. That as simple as that. But you have to be creative for yourself. You have to make it be more interesting. For example, putting sound, putting pictures. We can do this in this place, in this application. Let's move it. Number 12, the next display will appear. Select homework if you want to use it as a PR or homework, and select play live if you want to use it from now on. Yes, you can do this. It's up to you whether you want to make it be in a classroom directly or make it be homework so the student can play in their own home. Number 13, enter the deadline for work, set the date and time, then click proceed. Right. You can, for example, if you want to do this now, you didn't select homework, but you play live. But if you want to make it be homework, click the homework and then set the time. For example, if you want to do it in the next 2 days, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's move it. The next screen will appear, the code you used to enter quiz. Yeah, that is the code. As simple as that. Ways to do the quiz for students. Yeah, number 1, students open the link https://join.quizizz.com, and then students enter 6-digit code given by teachers, then click proceed or enter the link given by teacher. The teacher should give the students the 6-digit code, or the teacher should give the students link so they can enter it. Yeah, it's like that. Number 3, students enter their respective names, then click start. And then number 4, students work on the quiz with a time of each question 30 seconds according to the teacher's rules. If the teacher's rules want to do it for 30 seconds, it doesn't matter, or even a minute. For example, for the math material, it doesn't matter, but for English, it depends on the material which the teacher wants to examine. It doesn't matter. So this is the quiz's description. Each student finishes answering the question correctly, how many points will be obtained in one question, and also what rank will be answering the question. So there is a rank. There is a rank. If students answer the question incorrectly, the correct answer will appear like that. Then if you finish working on the quiz, at the end of the quiz there will be a review question display to review the answers, which is there is a review in the last. Thank you so much. That is my explanation for today, and thank you for joining for joining my work. Thank you so much, and selamat menonton.